Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to tell if a worksheet is protected in an Excel file. This is something that most likely happens if you get a worksheet from somebody else and they have it set up so that they don't want you to inadvertently edit parts of the worksheet. So I have one right here. This worksheet, I just know ahead of time is protected, but I'll just show you a few ways you can tell if it's protected. The most obvious one is if you go into the worksheet, and here it's just a real simple worksheet that has two columns of numbers and the sum. And if you go in here on the sum and where there's a formula where it adds the two columns and you start to type, the first character you type in, you get an error message that says the cell or chart you're trying to change is protected and therefore read-only. So that's a clue for sure. Now, another way is on this particular version, which happens to be on a Macintosh, this particular sheet has a little lock symbol by it, so that tells you right there it's protected. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to tell if a sheet is protected in Excel. Thanks for watching.